All right, on her fridge wall, all of these cabinets are walnut. This toe kick should be walnut, and it's about 21 3/16 off the wall, off this corner. And this one is 1/16 1/4, or the width of these two. And these cabinets are flush with the inside. When this cabinet is set, it should be about 3/4 of an inch, a half inch in from the edge of the wall. This is 1.5 inch wide panel, because on the back of this wall we're putting walnut panels. So this piece here is 1.5 inches at the front and 3/4 at the back. So that's what I mean. This guy needs to be, set in flush with the end. Well, that's what I have it right now. The left side of this is flush with the end. And then we'll just have to fur this out right here. And then these panels will die into it. So hopefully this one sticks out at least 1 inch beyond the back of the wall. Here's the kitchen entirely. There's no uppers. This is her double oven here. These cabinets are taller than normal, 33 1/4. This toe kick is 56 15 centered on the window. This cabinet is just a cabinet for countertop support. 24 inches here for the dishwasher, another 24. Cooktop. There's the rollouts behind these cabinets. This hopefully is centered between these two windows. This wall, I don't think these cabinets are built yet. Just these spaces in this full height. But the back of this cabinet's cut out, so the double oven protrudes out the back of the cabinet. So this is flush with the, because this is a little niche here. And those should be 23 deep. And these cabinets are only 21. But that double oven will stick through the back of the cabinet. But this is a separate cabinet, these two from here, because these are face frame style. The island, work with her on placement of that. You can see the shape of it here. And the countertop's going to extend all the way across here, like this. This toe kick should protrude over, and then this panel will sit on top of that toe kick. Mitered, and then 3/4 on the back side. The bar area. Pretty straightforward. That toe kick is 16 3/16. These are all glass doors. That should be about 74 inches. 73 and 13/16 off the wall. And this side here, that toe kick is 43 inches off the corner. Have to put a filler here, and that filler is going to have to be attached to the filler on this wall. This cabinet is 74 1/8. No crown, just vertical soffit, scribe to the ceiling. And then in the pantry, floating shelves. So in the scheme of things, the kitchen is here. This is the fridge wall, sink wall, the double oven's here, the bar is over here. in this area. There's a little doorway to walk through to get into this pantry. This toe kick, 3 11/16 off, big filler here, walnut floating shelves, and then in this little corner, there's a wall here, and that toe kick butts into this one, 21. And on this wall, come on, that's where all the floating shelves are. And then the last thing is the dining room. No, we're not doing that yet. Is this? This is the big bench. And again, in the scheme of things here, front doors here, when you walk in, you'd go through the kitchen here, and that big bench is going to be here on a little addition. And this toe kick's just a typical 1/4 inch off the wall, putting a big wood top on it. All right, thanks.